How to get a shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to get a shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date through the Google Play Store or App Store. Next, open Instagram app and make sure that you sign into your account. Tap on your story at top left corner. You'll be directed to your gallery. You need to choose camera and then land on your story section. Tap create button at top left corner of your screen. You can easily choose bottom right corner bottom in order to change the color of your background. So let's pick a vibrant one and you need to simply tap on the shout out icon at bottom right corner of your screen next to the create option. Once you're on this page, you can easily add text and mention your friends. Once you mention your friend, you can easily enhance your story by adding different kinds of stickers or songs. Tap on the sticker icon and you can choose any sticker you wanna add. You can even enhance with music. And once you are done with that, tap on your story at bottom left corner of your screen. And with that, you are good to go. Now you can easily create a perfect birthday shout out story on Instagram. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.